Okay. I'm crazy old man Zach. I'm gonna try and save this smoker. This is a Cuisine Art. Bottom rotted out of it. I got a handy dandy rivet gun, a drill, and I've got some cut-offs from a steel stud job we did. So I got a few of them hammered, flattened out to use for stock. All I gotta do is make this thing work. It's real easy. These hammered out naturally with a curve to them, so it's already giving me some shape to close that hole and then make a valve. So let's figure out how to do it so it's pretty. Maybe like this. Maybe like that. This will work out good. We'll start drilling. And riveting. Okay, there's our first piece. Riley, you want to help Daddy? There we go. Alright, there's two pieces. Put one there. Put one there. Got the swivel head. What do you think, Riley? Can't wait for Daddy to smoke a chuck steak. Okay. that one. Do one here. Make sure I pick up my pins. Right. Do one here. Here are the jets. Jets flying overhead. I'm gonna go over here next. Okay. One here. I'm hurrying. Relax. Riley loves my food. I love cooking for him too. Yes, I do. We're getting close. Where do I want to go with it? Is that going to be enough material to... No, I have to build one more. Add another piece. All right. Here. If I got enough rivets, I have to switch sizes. Oh, the wonderful world of recycling. Yeah, this is what happens when you don't take care of stuff. Yeah. See, I should have. I should have been bringing this in, but it sat out in the weather, and what happened was the water got in there because I didn't clean the ashes out of it enough, and it soaked it up and it sat in there and it rusted out. It's common, but it could have been prevented completely by keeping it clean. By cleaning it and putting it in the garage, which was going on, but I had to take it out of the garage because I didn't have room for it where I was living, and it sat outside for a number of weeks and it destroyed it. Yeah, it destroyed it. So let's put one here. Riley. Put one here. Doesn't take very long to do stuff. A lot of people don't understand where to begin. Everything starts with the cleaning to some degree. Okay, now hammer this flat. This was metal that was just going to go in the trash or a recycle bin if there was one available, which there wasn't. So I brought it home speculating to be able to fix this smoker. What I was hoping was use one of these for a valve. But that might be my valve there. No, I don't like that. That'll work though, right there. Okay. One there. One there. That one. This will work out. Put one here. One here. One here. And that'll do it right there. That. Now I just have to remember it's sharp as crap down there, so I don't cut myself playing with it. Okay, there's that one. One more rivet, and we got our bowl built back together. Now, got 3 rivets left this size before I have to change the tip. So the way I'm hammering it, it'll curl back a little bit and make a cup to some degree. Somehow I gotta make this work. getting there. That'll work right there. So I want my pivot here. And it won't last until the rest of the steel rots out where I riveted it, but this will get me through the summer for sure. And there we go. Smoker back in action. Yeah. Beautiful. Now I can smoke my chalk stick. Anyway, routine every yard across the country. It's got a rusted grill. There it is, fixed with junk. Yes, you can do it. Be the change. That's Zach.